Welcome to Plaid Metal, where I wear plaid and we listen to metal. Hope you're all doing well after the Christmas times. Hope you made the most of it. I know it's been kind of difficult with everything going on with COVID and everything, so I hope you had a good Christmas and I hope you're doing well right now. In today's video, we're checking out a band that I've kind of been seeing online pop up in a few people's lists and stuff for metalcore and stuff for 2020, and this band is called Neon Graves, and the song we're checking out is called Violent Noises. Now, I don't know anything about them. I've never listened to them before, but I've been hearing really good things about them. I heard they're a young band, so I'm really excited to check this song out and check this band out. So let's dive right into the video. Alright, let's get into it. Neon Graves, Violent Noises. Let's go. Okay, already fucking really dig that riff. Alright, he's down. I fuck with this one. This is fucking great. Oh, I like that. I dig this. So I like the cleans. I like the guitar riffs. Oh fuck. I like that, like, kind of like panic fucking like floor kind of thing, like an emergency kind of sound. I dig it. I like how it's using this. Ooh, that thick bass line. Hearing that, I always like hearing being able to hear the bass, have a bass line kind of deal. So I'm digging it. Oh, they painting? They remodeling? Really like the chorus, super catchy, I'm digging it. Yes, I say yes. Break it even further down. Drop it low, boys. So that was Neon Graves' Violent Noises. So right, Violent Noises by Neon Graves. Banger of a song. Super into it. Really like the guitar riffs. Really like that solo kind of bass line that they kind of let draw out there near the end. I liked all the breakdowns or breakdown. I don't know. Like, it feels like there were multiple breakdowns in this song. So always enjoy lots of breakdowns. Enjoyed the vocals a lot. Like, the chorus was a great chorus. I'm really into this band. I'm pleasantly surprised that I checked these guys out, and I'm super excited to check out this full album. I see that they released one in early December, it looked like, so I'm going to probably dive into that some more. So if you wanted me to check out some more Neon Graves, let me know in the comments down below. As always, thanks for checking out the video. It means a hell of a lot to me. I hope, again, you're all doing really well during this difficult time. Hope you're banging your heads, though, to this music that we're finding and discovering, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a great one. Boom.